Ever wondered what really happens when you hiccup? When you hiccup, that sudden jerk sound is actually your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, spasming out of control. When it spasms, it forces air into your lungs and your vocal cords slam shut, creating that classic hiccup sound. It's your body's weird reflex that happens when you eat too fast, swallow air, or get too excited. So next time you hiccup, make sure to slow down, relax, and breathe. This is your host, and remember, hiccups are just your diaphragm playing the fool. It's all in your head. Nothing to see here. Just some friendly advice from your favorite medical expert.